Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique, here to Anique Budgets, and on here we do cash stuff and budgeting, paying off for debt and money or what or business. So get into it, okay? So subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on, and like this video and leave your comment down below. And no shade, no tea. Let's do this budget with me, okay? Let's get into the video. Per usual, we are up close and personal, top of the morning, top of the afternoon to everyone, in the evening, whichever it may be for you, okay? Top of it. Hello, how you doing? Okay, so in today's video, we are going to do my budget with me for that third check, baby, because come on, get into her. And this is in the amount of $458.75, and we love to see it. We love a good check, child. Get into her. And so that is my total that I'm going to be working with today, $458.75. Now, as you guys can see, I wrote down my two bills that I am paying for, baby, okay? The first thing that I'm paying for is Netflix. She is on the 18th. And how much is she? First of all, let me check. Okay, cool. Paying Netflix on the 18th. Sometimes you gotta check your monthly budget to make sure your actual weekly budget is budgeting how it's supposed to be, okay? Get into it if you haven't yet. So Netflix is $24.60. Okay, she's supposed to be coming out the check from the bank account, so it's cool or whatever. And then for groceries, I did end up spending excess money from groceries, and so I'm basically paying myself back, and that was in the amount of $46. So y'all, that is all my bills. Y'all, when I tell you, it feels so good to be in this position. I can just my ones and twos and just be, yep, that's it, and just move on. Yeah, I'm paying $70.60 in bills, and that is it. We love to see it. I love it over here. Y'all should come over here. I love it over here. So my total for my expenses on this check, like I said, is $70.60, and it's cute. So from this $458.75, we're gonna subtract our $70.60, and so that is $388.15 remaining. So boom, $388 and how much? 15 cents, you all. Oh, side note, this grocery overspend came from yesterday when I did my expense tracking and my closeout, child. Girl, sir, get into it. Watch the video if you haven't. It's going to be in the eye in the sky. It's going to be at the end of this video. Get into it, okay? So, yeah. But anyways, we do have a remainder of $388.15. So let's go down to my cash envelopes and work it out, baby. Okay, get all up into it. So of course, as we know, my tithes always get 10% because the Lord be looking out for me. Okay, I'm gonna give him his money. Okay, the Lord, every time. And that is $45.87. But you know, your girl always rounds up, and there's always a plane because the video can never be great by itself, child. So if you hear a plane, y'all, I'm in the Air Force. We fly planes. But this is $46 for my tithes. Okay, and then groceries. Here's the thing, I don't really need groceries anymore or allowance or all those because now I'm eating at a dining facility and they taking my check. Oh Jesus, they taking money from my account, so I do be eating their regular child, because if you gonna take my money, I'm gonna eat. One thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat regardless of where it's from. So they are taking, so the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give me a cute little $20 because I know me. Even though I may eat at the deep fry, there's gonna be some ones and twos where you just be like, hey, we don't want it. So I am putting $20 in there. Gas, I'm not really putting in anything for gas. I'm also not putting anything in allowance, and if you guys know, then you know, clock T. Okay, did you watch yesterday's video, the expense tracking and closeout? Because I told why clock T. You gotta get into it. You gotta watch the videos. You gotta keep up, girl. Sorry, you gotta keep up. Go and watch the video and see why we not putting any money in allowance, but we still gonna eat. Hey, we gonna eat, swing, hope. We gonna eat. All right, let me do this. Toiletries. I just bought me a whole bunch of toiletries. Child, I don't need nothing, but I'm gonna give myself $5 because, you know, when we do need toiletries again later, because it ain't that far off, we gotta make sure that we can do what needs to be done. So $5 is going in toiletries. Household, I'm gonna give myself $20 because I need toilet paper, I need paper towels, and I need laundry detergent. I decided to do a triple thread, child. A triple thread of my bank account. I was like, girl, you're doing the most. But it's okay. Next is hair care, and I actually want to get my hair done in February. So I am planning to do it. So I'm gonna put $20 in there just to start, you know, booming, start amping up like getting my hair done in February. So yeah. And then miscellaneous, we're gonna do $0 because I don't really have anything that like I really need to buy. So let's do the calculations for all these. There's 46 plus 20 plus $5 plus $20 plus $20. So that came up to $111 for my cash envelopes. So this is $111. And so from 388.15 minus 111, we have $277.15. So $277.15. Okay. All right now. All right. So next up is my sinking funds, which is over here. It has my emergency binder, and it actually has my sinking funds binder with all of the good jazz. You feel me? So emergency fund. How much do I want to put in emergency fund? Like emergency fund, she cute. I didn't put nothing for investing. Hold up, hold the brakes, y'all. Hold the brakes. So I'm supposed to put 10% of my income, plus I'm supposed to be putting, girl, please. Plus I'm supposed to be putting $41.50 from each paycheck to invest in because I didn't use the January for girl. All right. So let me put it down here real quick so we can get it out the way. Let's do investing down here. Child, I almost spent all my money. All right, so 10% of $458.75 is $46, like I said, because we always round up. And I'm supposed to be saving $41.50, so $42. So it is $46 plus $42 is equal to $88. So $88 is going to invest in y'all. Child, I almost skipped it. Then we're going to leave that right there in additional savings, and then we'll come back up here. So in reality, my $277.15 minus this $88 leaves me with $189.15 for cash stuffing for sinking funds, emergency funds, and saving challenges. Child, almost had a problem. Child. Okay, so emergency fund. Emergency fund is going to get $29.15. Yes, she is. She's going to get $29.15. There we go. Home maintenance is going to get a 5. I think I'm going to do 5 for the rest of everybody else here. Travel, I do have to buy my plane ticket for June, and so it's January right now. I know it's real early or whatever, but you know, we do have to buy, so I am going to put $10 in here. And then my birthday, I'm going to put 10 as well. Where am I at? This is 10, 20, 25, 30, $35. I'm going to do $5 for my home. That's 40. That's 40. I'm going to do $2 for clothing. That's 42, right? 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, 42. I'm going to do $5 for family birthday. That's 47. And I'm going to do $3 for skincare. Okay, there we go. So that's how I'm going to do that. So this now, let's see. This is $29.15 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3. $79.15. Okay, is that right? 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yep, $79.15. Okay, so this is $79.15. So that means my $277.15 minus $79.15 equals to $198 in the remaining section, because my remainder is coming off of this down here. Okay, don't forget that that's where we're coming from. So now that we move over to sinking funds, we take that $79.15 from it, we left with $198, and now we're going to move into my additional savings, which it's going to be $198 minus this $88, because we're already using the $88 for investing. So between my 1 month ahead subscriptions and saving challenges, I have $110. And what I'm going to do is do $5 for both 1 month ahead and subscription, and then do $100 for saving challenges, because you know, baby, there's a whole lot of, okay, a whole lot going on. Ooh, I didn't put the zeros with these. I like the little zeros, you know. 0, 0. Okay. Almost done. Okay. Put my little zeros here. Put my little zeros there. Okay. So if we do the calculation, this is 5 plus 5 plus 100 plus $88. That's $198, which is the same as up here. So my total is $198, no cents. And then my remainder is going to be $0.00. And I always come down to addition of that total and put $0.00 because we do not owe them. Oh, that feels good. And then remainder is $0.00. So this is the budget for the 15 paycheck. Get into it, like it, love it. Tell me what you think about it, child. But yeah, so that's how my brain be working when, you know, I'm into my savings and everything. So we love to see it. But yeah, clock tea. This looks really good for a $458 budget. We like to see it. It's given what needs to be given. So yeah, y'all, let me know how you guys enjoy this budget with me, because one thing about it, two things for sure, we love to see it, y'all. And yeah, so let's close her up. Let's zoom out. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we would love to have you here. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. The giveaway is still happening for this saving challenge collab with SNC Christians and a whole bunch of beautiful ladies. So go ahead and check them out. I'm pretty sure during editing I added somebody, so y'all can go ahead and check out their channels. And yeah, so no shade, no tea. Get into this collab with me, because all this money is for you to see, okay? Get some money from this giveaway in the beginning of the year, child. Get a come up, okay? So join the saving challenge. All the details will be, not the saving challenge, but join the collab. All the details will be down below. But I do have some saving challenges for free for the print for starting off your new year right. It's on Ko-fi, which is also linked down below. That is, this printable is also linked down below. So go ahead and print it out, get into it. It's for the free. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.